Hi guys, I'm gonna show you how to solve problem 2 of homework 1. So we're gonna depart from this Reynolds equation. Where this is the kinematic viscosity and the units were square meters per minute. So the first question was to determine what would be the units of this constant. This part, most of them got it right. So the units of 1.02 will be square meters per minute, because if you have a square meters by minute here and a square meters by minute here, they will eliminate. So we will end with a Reynolds that doesn't have any units, which is the right answer. But now we need to convert this constant to use different units, which are centipoise for the viscosity and pounds per cubic feet for the density. So we need to remember that the kinematic viscosity is equal to the dynamic viscosity divided by the density. So if these are the units that we get, how do we arrive to these units? We know that we need to have meters and we know that we need to have minutes. So the international units for viscosity is kilograms per second per meter. But obviously we're not using these ones because we don't have seconds, we have minutes. So this should be the units. So assuming that we have kilograms per minute per meter and we divide it by the density, which is kilograms per cubic meter. So kilograms per cubic meter, and here kilograms per meter per minute. So kilograms go with kilograms, the cubic meter goes with this, and the answer will be square meters per minute. So now we know that the original units for the viscosity are kilograms per minute per meter, and that the original units for density are kilograms per cubic meter. So these are all the parting units, okay? The way I did it is separately, assuming that we had a kilogram per minute per meter and 1 kilogram per cubic meter, and then multiply everything. You can also do the conversion directly like we have in the solution, but I feel that this way is a little easier to understand. So first, if we assume that we have 1 kilogram per minute per meter, we need to convert the minutes to seconds. So in 1 minute we have 60 seconds, so that will be 0.0167 kilograms per meter per second. And we know that 1 kilogram per meter per second is equal to 1000 centipoise. So if we convert if we multiply by 1000, it will be 16.7 centipoise. So now we know that in 1 kilogram per minute per meter, we have 16.7 centipoise. Okay? I hope you can see it. Yeah, if not, I need to adjust the brightness in the video. So now we have 1 pound per cubic, no, 1 kilogram per cubic meter that we need to convert to pounds per cubic feet. Here I'm gonna put the direct conversion, but also you can do it step by step, and that's fine. So 1 kilogram per cubic meter, and multiply 0.0624 pounds per cubic feet, which is equal to 1 kilogram cubic meter. So here the final answer will be 0.06243 pounds cubic feet. So now we need to put everything together. So if our constant is 1.02, now we just need to multiply and divide by the conversion. So 1 kilogram per minute per meter is equal to 16.67 centipoise divided by the conversion of density, which is 0.06243 pounds by cubic feet. So if we do this equation, we know that the new constant is 272 centipoise per pound per cubic feet, and this was the final answer.